So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great, and today's video we are going to talk about how we can create a game ready hair using the blender, and that is very easy and cool trick. So I thought I should share with you guys, and I hope you will definitely enjoy this video and you will learn something new from this video. And if you do, please make sure to hit the like button, the share button, and subscribe my channel also. So now let's start the video. I will just duplicate this guy, Shift D, hair to hair. This is what he is looking before, and now this is what he is looking after. Alright. Alright guys, so first of all what I will do basically, so I will just select his scalp, and I will show you the trick how we can select his whole scalp. First of all, I will just select one vertices of this, and then I will just do Ctrl plus, and here you can see it will select a whole loop, something like that. Alright, if something is remain, so we have to select manually. That's like it is expanding way more, which is we don't want basically. So we want only from till here. Yeah. So now what we can do, we can just select manually by this circle tool. Alright, so I will just enable my X-ray, so might be possible. No, it is not selecting other side as well, so just ignore it. We have to select manually, something like that. Alright, and wherever you want the hairs, you need to just select it. So here you can see which part we need here. I'm gonna selecting all those vertices, and in this video we'll not talk about the particle thing basically. Sometimes it's creating so much issues, problems, so we'll go with some different methods. So make sure you just watch this tutorial till end, so you will get to know what we are doing exactly, and will not use the particle thing, because lots of people are doing particle things, and that is good, but it is time taking, and we have to like mess up with lots of settings, and sometimes it's become so much hectic, and yeah, that's why I find another way to create some game kind of hairs, and which is look good, better. So we can also use the trick here, that same trick. Alright, so we can switch first of all the face mode, so we can exactly see where we need the hair. So like we need hair only here. We can hair also, we can add hair also, we can add hair also, but not here. Alright, so I'm just going to skip this process, so okay, so that video will be not so much longer. Alright, so we have selected all whole faces where we need hair basically. We can deselect this one is like till here. We can deselect till here. Yeah, that's look awesome. Okay, after selecting that, what you have to do basically, you have to just duplicate this face pressing the Shift D. Alright, then you have to just press the right click, and it will automatically keep his original place. Then you have to just press the P and do separate from the selection. Now what will happen here, you can see you will get a separate mesh of your head, something like that. That's look awesome by the way. So first of all what I will do, I will just do right click and do convert to the I will just do set origin to geometry. Alright, so our first step is done. Now we will just go to the edit mode of our mesh, basically that separated mesh which is we have did earlier, and we have to select all the vertices pressing the Shift A. Then we have only A, not Shift A. Then we have to just click the Alt E, and we have to do extrude along the normal, something like that. And I think that much, yeah, that much thickness is look nice to me right now. And here we go, that's look awesome by the way. Now what we will do, first of all we'll just add the hair shader on it, which is I have already added, and that's look awesome. You can keep it like that also, it is looking awesome, and you have to do little bit modification here because there are some very edgy faces here, and that method is help a lot and work sometimes. Okay, but if we need some detailing, more detailing on in our hairs, it should be look like hair but not it will be real hair. Okay, so for that what we can do, and if you also want to fix this problem, so you have to do basically you have to just go to your what we can do modify section, and here you have to just enable your subdivision surface modifier. Yeah, you can just add another subdivision surface modifier, so your problem will solve and that look little smoothie and look nice basically. But now our mission is something else, creating something else. It is look nice by the way. Okay, so what I will do now, I will just add one modifier. It's called multi-range. Alright, and I'll just do subdivide 1, 2 and 3. I think that much is enough. Then I will just go to my sculpting section, and here what I will do basically, you can see what I will do. Make sure you have the Blender kit add-on enabled in your system. If not, then you can just go to Blender kit website, and from there you can just download the Blender kit add-on that is free for everyone. And then you have to just go to your edit, preference and add-on sections. Here you have to install that chip, and after that you have to just enable it, and you will get this little dialog box here. Then what you have to do, you have to just go to your brush section, and here you have to just select the free first. Here you can see, and now here you can see I will just search the hair. That's so awesome by the way. And now here you can see we have a 4 kind of hair brushes here, and which is look nice by the way. So I will just use the first one, and then I'm just gonna hide everything. And what I will do now, I will just enable my X-ray, enable my X view, so it will apply from the both side. And I will just increase my brush size, and now here we go. Here you can see that's look awesome by the way. Now you can see strength is so much high, so what we can do basically, we can just decrease the strength from here. So now if I'll just draw, so here you can see it is look fine. So now I'm just going to draw his hair from here to here. Make sure it shouldn't be overlap, otherwise it not look good. Yeah, so now here you can see it is look far better from the before one. Here you can see, wow, awesome. Now we need little bit puff from the front side, so we can just enhance the strength, and now we can create a puff. Here we go guys, here you can see. So this puff is looking awesome, his hair is looking awesome, and this guy is looking more young now. It is young, he has a good body, but now he has a good personality as well. Now he can make any girlfriend. Okay, and what we can do basically, we can use this brush sometime for a little surface detailing, like we need to like decrease the strength, and we can use a different brushes here, like this one is, I like it. See, for a detailing part. Alright, yeah, that's look awesome by the way. Alright guys, so now here you can see we have a good hair here. Okay, if we need little bit smoothness, so we can just press the shift and we can do smooth, but I think so we need any smoothness, just little bit here. But here we have to add some brushes. Basically have to add here, from here, and this we have to decrease the strength and draw once, so at least that place not look plain. Alright, so everything is look good to go. So I will again just switch to my object mode, and I will just go to my layout section, and now here we go guys. Now here you can see we have a good looking hair, which is look nice by the way. We can just increase little bit specular, so we can easily see how it is look like. And now here you can see, if I'm gonna show you one thing, so I will just duplicate this guy, shift D, here to here. This is what he is looking before, and now this is what he is looking after. Alright, so that's how you can create a good hair, and this hair also not take so much time for creating. Okay, and this hair will not take much time for create, and you have to just enable that free add-on. It's called Blender Kit, and from there you will get some free hair brushes. You have to just drag it into your head, and here we go, we have a good result here. Alright guys, so that's how you can create a good game ready hairs using this tool. So if you enjoyed this video, if you learned something from this video, please hit the like button, hit the share button and subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. So thanks for watching this video guys. If you learned something from this video, please hit the like button, the share button, subscribe my channel. Also, if you have any queries, if you have suggestion, please let me know in the comment box. I'll definitely reply comments. So bye bye, take care and stay home guys, and love you all.